Hello everyone, and welcome to another Wonders of Windows video. So in this video, I'll be covering one special particular piece of software, also known as CCleaner, and I'm basically going to be showing you how it is. So this is, yeah, it's a walkthrough. So let's get into the video. I'm just going to go into CCleaner now, and then as I open it, it shows me everything. So I can scan my PC. So yeah, just so you know, you have to keep your apps closed so that you're able to scan your PC. And yeah, you can also keep using your device to scan your PC. Okay, so I'm just going to go to custom clean, and then you can choose to clean or basically delete any um feature or anything in your software that you feel is taking up space. So most of it here is from Windows. I'm just going to go down here and then go to the Windows applications. You can see Thunderbird, Opera, and yeah, all that. So but there's really nothing I want to delete here. So I'm just going to go to Performance Optimizer, and then it's going to scan. If you don't know already, CCleaner is a software that allows you to optimize and increase the performance of your computer, but there's a catch. Now, new operating systems come with their own optimizer, so that you are able to speed up the performance of your computer without downloading any third-party software. So now you can see that 9 programs are installed on my PC. I can um, go to active programs here, and to show me what's the thing that I sent on my PC. So you can see that Adobe Creative Cloud is installed on my PC. Yeah, I know this because I tried to install Premiere Pro some time ago, but my computer did not really agree with that. So I'm just going to put it into sleep mode. But now it shows me that something went wrong and it will not complete the action because there's no internet connection. So you need an internet connection as shown already, so you can be able to still put it into sleep mode. And I don't know why it's like that, but um I'm guessing it's to connect to something else that is not downloaded. And I can also go to Java updater. It's on the internet for this, and you can see I'm not connected to the internet. Software updater. You also go to tools. There's the uninstall, the registry, startups. These are apps that launch at start immediately your computer starts. And I've noticed that sometimes screen rec comes up whenever I start up my computer, and I don't want that to happen. So I'm just going to go to disable and to disable it. And yes, what else? Microsoft Edge also launches, and I'm also going to disable that. And then Adobe Creative Cloud as well, I'm also going to disable that. So now I'm going to browser plugins, disk analyzer, duplicate finders, search for duplicate files, and system restore, and drive wiper to clean all the space in your drive. You can choose to wipe free space or everything, but I don't want that. So now I also go to options. There's the settings right here, and that base settings to control how CCleaner functions, also cookies and other stuff here, and are really helpful, and you cannot really find on your Windows operating system. So I hope you enjoyed the video. It's a really short one, and I did this so that it's beginning of a new year, and I felt that you had to be able to optimize your computer properly so that you could enjoy it for the year.